How to contact support on DoorDash. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're wondering how you can contact a DoorDash support in a browser, search for help.doordash.com. You can easily reach out to support through the DoorDash application as well. In here, you can reach out to support as a customer, dasher, or a merchant. Regarding your queries, tap on any of these criteria. As I'm a customer, I'll be tapping on customer support. In here, you'll find various of similar articles that is relevant with your issue. If not, you can visit the help center, chat with the DoorDash agent, or even give a call. Now, if you select on chat with us in DoorDash application, you actually have to install your DoorDash app for this. In the app, navigate to the help and support option and you can easily chat with the agent in the DoorDash app. If you select on the option of visit help center as well, you will need the application for this. So most of the relevant way of contacting your DoorDash is via chat or calling in the given toll-free number. And that is how you'll be able to contact support on DoorDash. This is the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to more.